Now, remember, on the very beginning, we were creating our services like math, yoga, or whatever, and we also added a client price field in case clients should pay for attendances for these courses. So for attending a lesson. And we've created all this big structure. So a course can have many lessons, users can attend these lessons, and users can also teach these lessons. And now we're going to go even deeper and we're going to work with money. So we're going to add a lot of money fields and we're going to calculate how much a user must earn for conducting lessons and how much a user must pay for attendances. And based on this, we're going to calculate the user's balance, how much he earned and how much he spent, how much he earned conducting lessons and how much he spent attending lessons. Now, before we start, first of all, we're going to have a look at the gem named Money Rails. So let's install it and see how it works. I'm taking gem Money Rails and adding it to our gem file. Okay, now I run bundle. And what do we need? So Rails, generate money Rails, initializer. Let's install it and see how this initializer looks. So it is money.rb. We go to config, initializers, money.rb, and we have a lot of different options that we can set. Do we need to set any of them now? I guess not yet. But we can at least set a default currency, for example, USD. Well, we can also do it later. We'll see if we need it. Now we have monetize price cents. So, for example, we can create a product which has a column named price cents. We are going to do something like this with our client price that we have in our service. So we are going to monetize client price. Let's try to monetize client price and see how it looks. Let's say we will go to our model, to our app, models, service.rb, and we are going to say monetize client price. Okay. And what will it give us? Now each product object will have an attribute called price, which is a money object and can be used for money comparisons, conversions, and so on. Okay, let's see how it looks. Did anything change in our views, in our forms, whatever? I'm starting the server, unable to infer the name for client price because the prefix cents is missing. Now, in the example, it says if we have a column named price cents, but we don't have a column named price cents. So we can monetize our column slightly differently. We can say, let's go to service.rb, and we will say monetize client price as client, no, not this, client price cents. Okay, now let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. And somewhere here lower we must have this explanation. So as, well, it should be somewhere there. But basically, let's try to create a service or to, let's say, edit a service, and let's set the client price. Let's set the price to 15. Let's say like $15, whatever. And the client price is 15. But 15 of what? Is 15 cents or $15 or whatever? Well, going back to the gem, we are going to input not the client price, we are going to input the client price in cents. So we will go to our view, services form, and here we will try to input the client price cents. Let's see, I refresh, and you see it is actually 15 cents. So if we wanted to have $15, we would say 1500. And now if we go to edit, it is Oh, 15 cents. Well, nothing changed. Well, because we are trying to edit client price cents, but it is not whitelisted in our controllers. So let's go to our services controller, and we will also permit client price cents. Okay, let's edit it. I'll say the client price is 15. So it should be, I guess, $15. And it is 1500 cents. I edit, and indeed it's 15. So this way, we can normally humanly write the price is 100, and it will be automatically converted into 100 cents. Oh, into $100 with 2 zeros in the end. Now, of course, we don't want to display it like 100, like 10,000 cents. We want to display it as $100. Okay, let's go and try to do it. Let's go to our services show and try to display not client price, but client price cents. Will anything change? Yes. We have $100. Looks normal. Now let's say we want to edit it. Let's make it 99.99. And it's correct. Let's just make it 99. It's $99. If it is 99 cents, we make 0.99. So this way we can do money operations. This way we can correctly store money as an integer in our database and edit it in a humanly acceptable way. Again, I will try to create a new service. Let's say it is a group yoga that lasts 60 minutes. The client price is $15 per attendance. And it's saved correctly. I go back, we have group yoga, client price again, 1500 cents. So again, we want to display the client price here as client price cents. We will go to index and say client price cents. And this way, our price that is in integer will be humanly readable as price in a normal currency. So looks good. And this is the basic usage of the gem money rails that helps us to comfortably store price in integer and reproduce it and edit it. So that's it for now.